everybody, Chica771 here, and today we are playing a very non-stressful game called Foopets.com! Basically what happened was I was playing the bottle flip challenge game online, and it wasn't working out well. Because I kept on choosing the wrong microphone on this stupid Screencast-O-Matic, and you guys couldn't hear my voice both the times, and I was super stressed out by the end of everything when I realized you guys couldn't hear me. 15% remaining! Oh gosh! Ow! I scratched myself! I need... Second. There. I think I'm gonna have to reload. Definitely reload. Maybe I should click here. What's going on? No! I just want to play Foopets! You know what? Relaxing games. Fun games. Kaboom.org. I think that this seems promising. That's not what I meant! Relaxing game. You know what? No, I don't. Let's just go to girlsgogames.com. For some reason, this site calms me. Is that an Animal Jam game? First, let's make a kitty. Let me just fix the screen.
Play it around. That's how we roll. Start with the gun and watch it flow. Good goes around and around and around.
Hey, good goes around and around. Hey! I like that song. Come on, I want to make my kitty so that I can be happy again. I think that I'm going to attempt. I don't like ads. I just want to make a simple, relaxing video where I don't scream at everything. Especially stupid ads. I hate screaming at ads. I need a bite of my cereal. Be right back. I am back and the game has still not loaded. It's as if this world doesn't want. Finally. Okay. If I close that out a little. Ah, there we go. Let's try and make my little Fanta kitty. That's not her ears. Neither is that's about it. That's her. Nope. Yes. Yes, probably, but let's check the others out. Yeah, that's it. Definitely these. That's her by a million. Here we go. That's good. No. 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 Yes. I just need to become black. There we go. Make it darker. Good enough. Yes, she has white on her underbelly. Okay. That will have to do for now, Fanta, my girl. No, no. Okay, I want my little calico. Why don't calicos turn out good? How about this? Let's just try and create my other cats that are simple. That's about it. His eyes aren't like that. I'm gonna try and make Cuddles. His name says it all. I don't need to explain anything. That's probably him. There. No, I don't think with that. Now make him pure. No, make that pink. Make his eyes green. And then make it pure black. There we go. That looks like Cuddles already. Let's just... Nope. There's nothing on him. Okay, we'll have some whiskers. That thing. That too. No. No, he doesn't have claws. Well, he does, but he doesn't use them. Ever. No, that's not where he belongs. He belongs right there. There we go. That's Cuddlebug. Moving on! You know what? Cuddles is probably the only one I can make, so... Let's try this Animal Jam thing. Oh, so Animal Jam advertises on it. Apparently, Animal Jam advertises on Girls Go Games. Who knew? Let's see. I'm looking over to the side where you guys can't see too. I feel more relaxed already. Fidget spinners are known to be quite relaxing. Maybe this will make me happy. Let's go! That's very polite of them to just get right to the thing when I said, let's go! Well, I guess I'll be right back until... No! Let's just play this stupid fidget spinner game. Let's see, my favorite color is blue, so let's find the blue. There's no blue? Well, my second favorite color is black, so dang it. There it is. What's this? No, I don't want the noises. Pew. 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 Aha, very nice fidget spinner indeed. This is very relaxing. Yeah, no, that wasn't good at all. Come on, that's good spin. Come on. Aww. I got a good feeling about this one. And it's just the same. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh man, I was close to 18 this time. What's this? Do I get any more colors yet? Okay, you know what? Pick a random color. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 2, 3, go. Oh my gosh. Go 1, 2, 3. There, that's good. Go. No, it was so close to 18. And there's an ad. No, this is a stressful game. I should have known. There's no such thing as a non-stressful at all. Fidget spinner extreme. No. I think I'm gonna cook something. Maybe cooking will get me less worked up, and I could be Chica the chef again. Waiting. I'll be back when the ad is over and the game is up.
Hey,
oh, never mind.
It's the yummy bowl.
Playing
Around. That's how we roll. Start with the good and watch it flow. Good goes around and around and around. Hey, good goes around and around.
Hey! Yeah, I'm not a great singer in that very situation because one, my throat hurts from screaming so many times, from playing the water bottle flip challenge and ragdoll runner. Shut up! my voice is basically shut, so I can't exactly sing right now, and my voice is probably a little bit scratchy, but who cares? Let's just get started cooking. It's right here. Yes, I'm good at this. Ooh, it's time for dangerous work now. Go there. Boom, boom. Go down. And then here. Peel. I might cut myself, and I'm probably gonna cry. I'm surprised I'm not crying now. Cut. Snippy, snipperdoodle. In reality, nobody can gather that much, can they? Refrigerator. Put that in there, and then boom! Oh, I need this. More slicing. You guys all know how this is gonna go, so I'll be back when I'm done slicing. Can I take a minute to say that this looks really gross? I mean, I don't know, it looks like something that would be inside of a body. Like, it all of a sudden feels like one of those surgery games, and I don't like it anymore. I have to cut open this thing. Again, I'll be back. Whoa, I'm cutting open some meat. I guess I'll let you guys watch because I don't know what this is going to look like. We all know what fruits and stuff are going to look like. That actually looks pretty cool. Just the lines in between it. Okay, yeah, that's how that looks like. Yay! I got a star! Next! Now it's time for the actual cooking. Oh god, I have to find more stuff. Well, on. Medium. Oil. Boom. Then pour this. Boom. Then get this. And boom! Yay! I'm good at this! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heh. Off. Ah! I sliced up all this stuff. Get that meat. Where's that meat? Oh, I have to stir some more. Not that it really does anything. It's just the same. We could just stir at the end, couldn't we? Let's just get this and do what it says, I guess. You guys get to watch me mix stuff. And add that. And add this. And then lastly, this. And then we mix! Like a pro. Come on. And it's beautiful. I did a good job. 3 stars! Yay! Oh gosh, I need seasoning. Time to season things up. That's not how you get stuff out of stuff. I'm no expert, but I know for a fact that's not how you get the stuff. Very good job on the realistic stuff, though. Now a little bit of salt. This thing needs to be salty. And a little bit of pepper, because pepper goes good with salt. And then a little bit of spoon, because that's what we use to mix. And then it barely does anything. I'm gonna go collect stuff. Ew, gross! It looks like there's blood all over it. And now we mix. I only have 1 more minute to record, so, I guess I'll be back when something important comes. 1 star! When it gets to the 40s, that's when I'm going to start doing my outro, but I got a feeling that this is important, because I think that we're almost done. Get this, and then get some of this. I think that's cheese. People do a really good job on making stuff look realistic. And look at what I made! Yay! Oh, okay, looks like it's time to go. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video!